I just went to 8 Goodwills in one day to try to find inventory for my eBay store. And in this video, we're going to take a look and see what I found. But if we're just meeting, my name is Charles, and on this channel I help you improve your eBay store. So for videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we're just going to jump right into it.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys. It sound right,
So as you saw in the first store, I'm trying to learn shoes, but I didn't find anything there. What I did find was in the coffee mugs. I did find this Starbucks You Are Here Seattle mug. Anytime I see these You Are Here mugs, I always pick them up. They're great sellers, usually between $20, $25, $30, depending on where they're at, I guess. Seattle's not one of the more popular ones, but there are some that are pretty popular. But anytime I see these, I pick them up. Also, in that first Goodwill, I picked up Just Dance 4. This I got to trade into GameStop. Oddly, this game trades in like $12, $7 to $12, depending on if they have a promotion at GameStop. I always trade these in to build up my trading credit so I can get something bigger. But that's the only reason I picked this up. Not to sell, but to trade.
sound right, boys.
So on that Goodwill, I didn't capture it because I was not going to film myself going through the clothes. And I usually don't pick up clothes, but on my way out, I did find something that caught my eye, so I decided I would go ahead and get it. It is a Denver Allen Iverson throwback jersey. Denver Nuggets. They're going to make the playoffs. Now, if they beat the Lakers, this jersey's going to sell right away. Even when they get to the playoffs, I think this jersey's going to sell. We're going to list it for $40, but it was pretty cool. Hardwood classic, Allen Iverson. If you know, you know.
Sound right, boy.
Coming out of that Goodwill, we got two things. We have a Turtle Beach headset. It's about a $20 headset. I like picking up gaming headsets. Some of them, they go for like $200-300. Honestly, I'm trying to find one for myself, but that's why I'm always looking at headsets. This headset does work. I've tested it. I picked up this collector's edition Gears of War game with the steelbook, and it's all complete. Now, there are dents, which I will note in my listing, but I hope to get about $20 on that, especially since it's dent. If it was in better condition, I could probably get more, but always look for those steelbooks. This thing is heavy too. It's going to be like 2-3 pounds to ship. So let me know in the comments below if you think that trip was worth it, or if there was anything that I missed. I purposefully went during the week because I wanted to see if there was more to find during the week than on the weekend. Obviously on the weekends they're going to be a better shot, but there's a lot more foot traffic. But yeah, I went during the week. That's what I picked up. Not much value, but it keeps the business running. And until the next video, I'll see you.